Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Before I proceed with the chart, I would like to mention one thing that I have started uploading content on my Hindi channel as well. I'm extremely sorry for not uploading regular content on my Hindi channel. Every day I receive so many messages that I felt ashamed on myself and started uploading content again. You'll find video in the afternoon, yes, during the European session. In the morning you will get the idea in this English channel, and by afternoon you will get the idea of the rest of the day in my Hindi channel. So if you really want to understand the charts in Hindi, then please subscribe and check out the link in the description and rock. Okay, and my dear friends, for limited period of time I have also started the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, as a serious source of income, then you can also check out, in the link is in the description. And those who are looking for signals only, those who do not afford to give much time to the market, then you can also check out the Pro Trader program Lite, where I am providing the world's cheapest signal service. Okay, these are all for a limited period. So if you really want to sign up, then please check out the link in the description. So let's get started with the charts. So this is the 15-minute chart of gold USD. Instead of the 4-hour chart, why I'm in a 15-minute chart? The reason is that in the 4-hour chart we do not have a clear picture on the chart of gold. We can simply see that market is in uptrend right now, and right now after getting some resistance on the 50 MA, market is going down. So overall we do not have a clarity or the clear picture on the chart of gold. That's why I'll be explaining the levels on the 15-minute time frame today. Okay, just keep in mind that these levels are for day trading purpose only, because right now we do not have a clear picture on the chart of gold. So as a result, be very careful while trading. And as we all know, the market is very volatile for the last couple of days. So please use proper risk management and do not trade without stop loss. It's like suicide. Okay. So right now market is trading at 1926. This is the current market price here. As you can see that around 1922 we have a minor support. Okay. These are all minor levels for the market. So we have a minor support around 1922. Why? Because we have the 200 moving average here. The 200 moving average is coming up, and here market took support around the 200 moving average. So there was also a price rejection around this level. So price rejection plus 200 moving average, two factors here. So as a result, we can expect that market will get some support here, or if market comes down to this particular level, market will be bouncing from here because of the 200 moving average and the previous price rejection from this level. So we can expect some support, some bounce for day trading purpose. So 1922 is a good level. If market comes down to this level and bounces, we can go for buy, but keep in mind confirmation. Okay, price should bounce, price should reverse, because no level in the market is permanent. So if market bounces from 1922, go for a buy. But in case if you see that the heavy selling is going on, market is unable to bounce, market is breaking the level, okay, in that case the next important level will be 1915 to 1917. Okay, possibility of market bouncing from 1915 to 1917 as well. Okay, so if market breaks this level also, okay, then there may come heavy selling in the market, because in this market condition we do not have very strong support zone right now. Do not forget, whatever I'm mentioning here, these are not very strong levels. Okay, the strongest level in this market is around 1890, 1895. Only this is a very strong level in the market. Okay, apart from this level, in this market condition we do not have any strong support right now. Let's imagine that there a heavy selling comes to the market, and obviously all the levels will fail here. No level will be able to hold the market. Okay, so for day trading purpose only, if you find market bouncing from 1922 level, go for a buy. If it fails, then you can hope that market will take support around 1915 to 1917. Okay, but under normal circumstances only. That's why I'm mentioning that if you whenever you're taking a trade, you should be following proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, isn't it? Nobody is perfect or 100% correct in the market. And if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then we can expect selling around 1937 to 1939. This is a resistance in the chart of gold. Why this is a resistance here? Because first of all, see, we have this static resistance, then we also have the confirmation from the Fibonacci as well. So combining these two factors, there is a good possibility that if market goes up, also market will find some resistance, find some selling pressure around this level. And if we see a shooting star kind of a pattern or any good price rejection around this level, we can go for a sell as well during the day. In case good buying comes, then around 1944-45, around this level, we can expect the next selling zone for the market. So these are all levels for today only, for day trading purpose only. Keep in mind, these levels are not very strong enough. The resistances are good, overall the resistances are good, but the support zones are very weak, not very strong here. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management and please use proper stop loss and all, okay, because this is your hard-earned money, it's your duty to protect it. So do not gamble. Bye bye, take care, be safe, see you tomorrow.